A hospital is an institution that is built, staffed, and equipped for the diagnosis of disease, for the treatment, both medical and surgical, of the sick and the injured, and for their housing during this process. Specialist healthcare professionals, such as a doctor and nurse, work in modern hospitals to address particular patient population. As a result, a hospital contains multiple departments that specialize in different types of care. The service that certain hospital department offer will be examined in this content.
Cardiology Center. This department has connection pertaining to the heart. Cardiology center are the medical experts who treat this condition. Heart failure, coronary artery disorders, and congenital heart defects are the most prevalent diseases treated in this field. By doing a blood test, they measure blood sugar levels and the behavior of cholesterol transfer. Cardiologists can ascertain the prevalence of heart disease. The existence of cardiac stress is another test for heart disease. Help identify the presence of cardiac hypoxia, which is connected to the effort. Obstetrics and gynecology. This department handles cases pertaining to the reproductive organ of women. Gynecology are medical experts skilled in birth, providing health care to expectant and non-pregnant women, as well as clinical managing the clinical pathology of female reproductive organs. Infertility and others reproductive problems are caused by abnormality in a patient's hormone function, which gynecologists are properly qualified to treat. The test for these issues entails evaluating the patient's past medical history with a focus on their present symptoms. Inpatient department IPD, a hospital that treats patients who need to be admitted, is known as an inpatient department IPD. Individuals who need long-term care, surgery, or treatment for major illnesses are the ones who come to an IPD. The IPD is staffed by medical professionals and has all the tools needed to give patients the attention they need. IPD service typical cost more than OPD treatment since IPD patients need to be admitted to hospitals.
Intensive care unit. Intensive care unit treat patients who have serious or potentially fatal illness or injuries. The patient need round-the-clock medical attention, medicine, and close monitoring from life support system to maintain normal body function. Highly skilled medical professional with a focus on treating critically ill patients work there as respiratory therapists, nurse, and physician. Acute respiratory distress syndrome, septic shock, and other life-threatening ailments and frequently treatment in intensive care unit. Patients who rapidly deteriorate may refer straight from an emergency room or ward or right after surgery if the procedure is highly invasive and the patient is at high risk of complication. Outpatient department. Patients who do not need to be admitted to the hospital might receive care in outpatient department. Patients who come to an outpatient department typically require private medical care, such as consultation, minor procedure, and diagnostic testing. after obtaining medical attention at an outpatient department. Patients are discharged home without having to stay in the hospital for an extended amount of time. Emergency department, a medical treatment facility that specializes in emergency medicine or the acute care of patients who arrive without an appointment, either on their own or via the use of an ambulance, is known by various names, including emergency department, accident and emergency department, emergency room, emergency ward, or casualty department. The department must provide initial treatment for a wide range of illness and injury, some of which might be life-threatening and require quick attention due to the unscheduled nature of patient attendance. Most hospital emergency rooms are open around the clock, though staffing level might fluctuate to meet the volume of patients seen.
Hemodialysis, often known as dialysis, is a therapeutic process that removes waste and water from the blood, much like the body's kidneys do. Thus, one may refer to this treatment as a kidney replacement for injury. Patients with kidney failure or chronic cardiac disease require hemodialysis. Although hemodialysis is a treatment used to help patients with renal failure, it is not a cure for the condition. The care and treatment of children, newborns, and teenagers falls within the purview of the pediatric department. These days, the most important department in any hospital are those that specialize in this field. Providing care and treatment to ambulatory patients is one of this department's primary functions. Providing follow-up care for trauma cases such as dislocation, fracture, and minor surgery, as well as treating pediatric cardiology issues, are some of the most common situations that a pediatrician handles.